Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5158P. It's a 2021 Chevy 1500 double cab with 208 for K. Really nice, clean little truck. This one comes with a 4.3 liter, so it's nice and economical, good to run around the city with. It is also four-wheel drive. So it's definitely nice to have here in Saskatchewan in the wintertime. This one does have vinyl floor, vinyl seats, really nice and easy to keep clean. Color match topper, also on the back with ladder rack. This one's got a shelf here on the passenger side. Coming around the back, this is a 6.5 foot box. On the inside, there is a bed liner in there. There's only a shelf on the passenger side. There isn't one on the driver's side, so it's convenient for accessing stuff in the front of the box if need be. But also, if you did want a second shelf, we can easily have one built and installed for you. That's no problem. In the back, you can also add a cargo bedside, which makes bringing tools and materials out to you a lot easier. So that is certainly a nice addition as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and again, four-wheel drive. We'll flip up center console there as well. So something like this, great addition to anybody's contracting fleet, whether that be plumbing and heating, electrical contracting, general contracting, building maintenance, and anything in between. Having a nice, clean, reliable half-ton like this would make your job a lot easier. Again, stock number 5158, a 2021 Chevy 1500.